Hi, let's practice some real English conversations together. Today, we'll cover a few useful situations you can really use.
Good morning. I'd like to check out, please.
Good morning. Sure. May I have your room number?
It's room 508.
Thank you. One moment, please. Okay. I see you stayed for 3 nights. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
Did you use anything from the minibar or order room service?
No, I didn't. Just the free water.
Perfect. Here's your bill. The total is $285. Would you like to pay by cash or card?
I'll pay by card, please.
All right. Please insert your card here. Payment successful. Thank you.
Great. Can I leave my luggage here for a few hours?
Of course. We can keep it in the luggage room. Just come back and show your tag when you return.
Thank you so much. The stay was wonderful.
We're so glad to hear that. Have a safe trip, and we hope to see you again.
Thanks. Bye.
Hello, this is room 416. I'd like to request something.
Sure. What do you need?
Could I get 2 more towels and a bottle of water, please?
Of course. We'll send them to your room shortly.
Also, the air conditioner isn't working properly.
I'm sorry about that. I'll send someone to fix it right away.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Let us know if you need anything else.
Hi, I'd like to see a doctor. I don't feel well.
Sure. What seems to be the problem?
I've had diarrhea since this morning. I also have a stomach ache and feel a bit weak.
I see. Do you have a fever?
Yes, a low-grade fever.
Okay, please wait here. The doctor will see you soon.
Thank you.
Hi there. I'm Dr. Smith. What brings you in today?
Hi, doctor. I've had diarrhea since this morning, and my stomach really hurts.
I see. Have you eaten anything unusual lately?
Maybe some street food last night? It didn't taste right.
Got it. Do you have a fever or nausea?
Yes, a slight fever, and I feel a bit nauseous.
All right. I'll check your temperature and give you something to stop the diarrhea. Drink plenty of water and rest.
Okay. Thank you so much, doctor. Hi. How is your family doing these days?
They're doing really well, thank you. Everyone is healthy and happy. How about your family?
My family is good too. My parents are retired now, but they're enjoying their time. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 1 older brother and 1 younger sister. How about you?
I have 2 sisters. One lives abroad, and the other one is married with children. Do you have kids?
Yes, I have 2 children, a boy and a girl. They keep me very busy. How about you?
I don't have any kids yet, but I hope to have some in the future.
Good morning. May I have your passport and ticket, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. Are you checking in any luggage?
Yes, I have 1 suitcase.
Please place it on the scale.
All right.
It's 18 kilograms. That's within the limit. Here's your boarding pass. Your gate is D6, and boarding begins at 9:20 a.m.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a great flight.
Good morning. Passport, please.
Here you go.
What's the purpose of your visit?
I'm here for a vacation.
How long are you planning to stay?
10 days.
Where will you be staying?
At the Hilton Hotel in Tokyo?
Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, I do. Here it is.
Thank you. Enjoy your trip.
Thank you so much.
Hey, so what do you do for a living?
I'm a teacher.
Just teacher? Come on, you can be more exciting than that.
Well, I do teach. Isn't that enough?
Sure, but imagine this. I teach high school science, and I make it fun so students don't fall asleep.
I like that. Okay, let me try. I teach high school English. I help students have fun with reading and writing. No yawns allowed.
Perfect. Now that's a teacher.
Excuse me, how much are these apples?
They're $5 per kilo.
Okay, I'll take 1 kilo, please.
Sure. Do you want anything else?
How about some bananas? How much are they?
Bananas are $3 per kilo.
Great, I'll take half a kilo.
All right. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Great job! You just practiced real conversations you can use every day. If you liked this video, subscribe and check out more on our channel. See you next time!